Hey guys, this is the second part of our lecture series over dependent samples t-test. So in this video, we're going to cover how to write your results in APA format. So this is our dependent samples t-test from the first part of the video. Now, similar to independent samples t-tests, drag this over here. On our t-test overview page, t-test means between two groups, I've got several different sections. So here is the independent samples t-test. If I scroll down, here is dependent samples section. It has instructions as well as lecture videos. So here's the APA format. The statistical shorthand will do exactly the same as the independent samples t-test, okay? So statistical shorthand, let me zoom in just a little bit. Well, maybe that's too much. Okay, statistical shorthand. What did we do? We did a t-test. Next, I need my degrees of freedom. That's here. I need my t-stat. Now this t-stat is a negative. That is totally fine that it's a negative. 2, 3. I'm going to round a little bit. P was greater than 0.05. Now this was different than the independent samples t-test that we worked with. So remember, when we have our results, you have phrasing for a significant result and you have phrasing for a not significant result. They are slightly different, so you need to make sure that you are selecting the right one. Since I have a not significant result, I'm going to grab this little paragraph and I'm going to copy and paste it into my sheet. Now remember, for my class, it is not cheating to copy and paste these and use these on tests, on homework, wherever you feel that you need them, okay? So now I'm going to edit it. A paired samples t-test, oops, that's a little bit of a typo, was calculated to compare the mean, I'm going to say before recycling, to the mean after recycling. The mean before was, what was the mean before? 34, roughly, I'll say 34.4. And the mean after was 34.8. Okay, no significant difference was found. And then here's my t-stat. So we're going to copy this from my statistical shorthand above. Negative 0.23. And P is greater than 0.05. Oops, let me fix this. Okay, so that is a really simple way to write results for a not significant result for a dependent samples t-test. If you guys have questions, please let me know.